We interrupt your programming with a breaking weather alert. A massive winter storm is currently sweeping across large portions of the United States, placing over 18 million people under urgent winter weather advisories. The National Weather Service is forecasting heavy snowfall and dangerously cold. Sub-zero temperatures for the coming hours and days. In response to these severe conditions, officials are taking preemptive measures. For example, Northampton County Public Schools in Virginia have already announced they will be closed tomorrow due to the anticipated inclement weather. Authorities are urging residents in the affected areas to stay off the roads if possible and to prepare for potential power outages. We're monitoring this developing situation closely and will bring you updates as they become available. How is this storm affecting your area? Let us know in the comments below. Stay safe and stay warm.